hit the subscribe button.
Here's the first train going to Nottingham, Northern Rail train, I believe. Well, you can see it at the moment on headlights, aren't we? One person got off. One 95012, that one. Off to Nottingham. Here comes the next train by the sound of it. Six 0096, that engine number. That was full of gravel by the looks of it. This one's going straight through, I think. That one's going straight through. Don't know where he's gone now. He's gone somewhere. And it's getting cold. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Just waiting for the next train from Etches Park to Sheffield. Coming from that direction in a minute. And here comes the next train, going straight through. East Midlands Railway train it was, going to Sheffield. And on that note, I'll see you all in the next video. It's getting cold now. See you soon.